In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock a period in Xero in just 5 minutes. This skill is essential for anyone managing financial records in Xero, especially if you need to make adjustments to previously closed periods. Whether you're a small business owner, an accountant, or someone learning Xero for the first time, this guide will walk you through each step necessary to unlock a period, ensuring your financials are up to date and accurate. First things first, let's head over to the Xero website. Once there, locate the login button, which you'll find at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this button will take you to the login page, which is your gateway to accessing your Xero account. At this point, you'll need to enter your login credentials. Specifically, type in the email and password associated with your Xero account. Make sure to enter this information correctly to avoid any login issues. After you've inputted your email and password, go ahead and click on the login button to access your Xero dashboard. This dashboard is essentially your command center, from where you can navigate to various features within Xero. Now that we're logged in, it's time to navigate to the accounting section of Xero. You can find the accounting tab easily. Once you're in the accounting section, look for the advanced option. Clicking on this will take you a step further into the settings and options that allow for more detailed financial management. Within the advanced section, we're looking for financial settings. This is a critical area where you can control various financial parameters for your Xero account, including the lock dates that we are here to adjust. Upon entering the financial settings, you'll find the option to remove lock dates. This is precisely what we need to unlock a period in Xero. Lock dates are a security feature in Xero that prevent changes to transactions on or before a specified date. Removing or adjusting these lock dates allows you to make necessary amendments to periods that were previously locked. After selecting to remove lock dates, the final and arguably most crucial step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, and once you click it, your changes will be confirmed and the periods you need to adjust will now be unlocked. A few additional tips to consider when unlocking periods in Xero. Always double check the dates you are unlocking to avoid unintended changes to your financial records. Remember that unlocking periods and making changes to historical data can affect your financial statements and reports. It's crucial to review these changes carefully or consult with a financial professional if needed. Once you've made your required adjustments, consider relocking the periods to maintain the integrity of your financial data. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide on how to unlock a period in Xero in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward, but it plays a crucial role in maintaining accurate and up-to-date financial records in Xero. Whether you're reconciling past transactions, correcting entries, or preparing for tax season, knowing how to unlock periods is a valuable skill in managing your finances effectively with Xero. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to revisit any section of this video if you need to, and don't hesitate to practice this process to become more familiar with unlocking periods in Xero. Remember, managing your financial records accurately is key to maintaining the health and success of your business.